It's my daughter's birthday, and her cool auntie got her this Inosuke Demon Slayer action figure, and she's going to build it. And there's a whole bunch of poses and different things to do with it. So if you get bored, you can always change the head, or change the sword, or change the pose. So she's going to show you how it can look. So if you're enjoying this video so far, we hope that you'll subscribe, and if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos, and we upload daily. Thanks for watching, everyone, and please subscribe. And if you like this kind of video, we have another video where my daughter builds...
Oh look, you can take out the sword.
Wait, who do you build, honey? Where my daughter built Deku from My Hero Academia. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to play the game. Where is Inosuke? Where is Inosuke? Where is Inosuke?
When you get back, when you get to 30.
Oh, there he is! My daughter also has Asuna from Sword Art Online. And she's gonna switch the face out with Inosuke. Just for fun. This is one of the cool features that you can do. You can just totally mix up all of your anime characters when you have these kind of figures. Here's Asuna. So pretty. She's crying there though.
She is. see, you're supposed to take this part out and put it right there, but you can't. So you won't fit.